Before consuming fresh berries, grapes, apples, or other fruit, it's important to rinse them to remove harmful bacteria, fungi, and dirt. Adding baking soda to the rinse helps eliminate pesticides and debris, making the produce even healthier. To clean your fruit with baking soda, fill a mixing bowl 2/3 full with cool water and mix in 1 teaspoon of baking soda per 2 cups of water. Soak your produce in the solution for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After soaking, scrub the fruit with your fingers or a soft bristled brush and rinse it under cool water. Dry the fruit on a towel before consuming or preparing. It is recommended to wash produce right before eating or cooking it. But if you need to store your fruits after washing them, ensure they are completely dry and store them in airtight containers lined with paper towels.